Step 1 is to visit youtube.com, where you may select a variety of videos and earn free PayPal credit for 2023 just by viewing them. Here's how much money you can make with this for free. If you watch just one YouTube video, you can make $5. If you watch 10 videos, you can make $50, and if you watch 30 videos per day, you can make as much as $150. All of these are actual payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they have watched. The good news is that you can simply repeat this as much as you like to keep generating money. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to do it. First of all, I want you to click on the sign in button in the top right corner, which will take you to this page. If you don't already have a YouTube account, create one by clicking on Create Account and choosing For Myself. And on this page, you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you log into your YouTube account, one thing you will notice on the left-hand side is that you can see the Explore of YouTube of these sections, such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news. And so from there, I want you to click on Gaming, which will take you to this page under the gaming area where millions and millions of people are viewing these gaming videos on YouTube. And they have no idea how they can make a lot of free people money. But today, I will reveal you a secret approach that no one is talking about that will get you free PayPal money 2023 in just minutes. And that's precisely what I will show you. How can all these people keep being paid $5 for every video they view? It's absolutely free. YouTube is available in every country, and you may watch it from anywhere in the globe to make free PayPal money. Now for the first bonus tip, I want you to concentrate on this category of video Minecraft, one of the most well-liked games that is still trending until this days. When you click on it, it will take you to this specific page, where you can find many videos about Minecraft gameplays, as well as one of these live streaming videos is on right now. For the next step, all you have to do is click on any of these live videos. If you click on this video, it will take you to a page where you can find a live stream. As you can see, a lot of people are watching this video, and there were a lot of demands to watch these videos, and so are the opportunities to make free PayPal money in 2023 using these videos. Before we move any farther, welcome to Money Flow, where we will teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and techniques. So hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up for more money-making techniques. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Stick to the end of this video because I'll show you a bonus tip through today's video. The best part is that you can do this over and over again, a variety of YouTube videos in this category, to convert these YouTube videos. The second website that we will be using converts our free PayPal money into real money is what we want. As you can see, many are employing this technique to make $5 by repeatedly watching movies. You may shorten the URL links on this page and use them to get free PayPal money. You can get a lot of free PayPal money in 2023 if you follow this video through to the end. But don't worry, I'll make it incredibly simple for you. It's actually much easier than you think, and very few people are currently discussing this method. The site is called 7r6.com, and it has a really straightforward idea. To get started, all you have to do is create a free account there, after which you must shorten various URLs for various YouTube videos. I'll explain to you how to do this in detail. On the home page of the website, go and click on Publisher Rates. As you can see here, Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Australia pays $3 and worldwide pays $2. If you're viewing these YouTube videos, you can locate the share button directly below this video, where it says how to do it in just a minute, and you can make free PayPal money for every video. I'll now demonstrate one example of how it actually works. You can find the YouTube URL link for this particular gaming video by clicking on the share button. Next, I want you to click the copy button, which will copy the link to the YouTube video. All we have to do is return to the website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box. Now, so that you can see, I've just pasted the YouTube video link into this box. If you click on this tiny button, the website will automatically shorten the lengthy link and create a new unique one. Every time someone clicks on this unique link, you will be paid. This is how all of these individuals are able to earn a lot of money on this site. So now scroll down to see the details of the website. For example, that one, you are required to earn $5 before you will be paid. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, Bitcoin Web, Money, Perfect Money, and Payeer. There are so many different payment options. Those are really big numbers of total clicks, total URLs, registered users. The first thing I want you to do is return to the home page and click the sign up link in the top right corner of the website. This will take you to a page where you can sign up for a brand new membership, which is 100% free and available to everyone in the world. After you sign up for a new account, this is what your dashboard will look like when you log in. Now I want you to provide your username, email address, create your password, and check this box of terms of use and privacy policy, then click on the register button on this page. I want you to click on the new shortened link button in the top left corner, and here we're going to copy and paste your YouTube URL links so we can shorten them and earn free PayPal money. So right now, all I want you to do is go back to your YouTube video, click on the share button, and copy this URL link, then go back to your dashboard and paste that link right here into this box, and under alias type in Minecraft, and we get our new shortened link that we will be using. So in step 3, return to YouTube and repeat the process for up to 3 other videos. The more YouTube video URLs you copy and shorten, the more money you will get from free people. This is the next bonus trick that I want to offer with you. And I want you to focus on this one category, just because it will help you earn a lot of free people money with it. I want you to focus solely on live streaming videos. Now let's move on. I want you to click on this video, which will lead you to another live streaming video, and then we'll repeat the process. Click on the share button, then copy the URL. Then go to your URL shortening page and paste the second URL link into the box. And then we'll just type, for example, Minecraft 5345 in the alias box. And click on shorten, and that's the second link we successfully shortened. Keep watching the video till the end, because I will show you the most important website in today's video. Remember what I told you. Just repeat the same approach to make significant money online. Find different YouTube videos, then copy the URL and shorten it with the aid of 7R6. Now for the 4th step, I want you to go to steamcommunity.com. Now this is a gaming website or platform where many people talk about various playing methods for various games. At the moment, there are numerous talks regarding the Minecraft game. This will be your best opportunity to capitalize on this trend with the aid of 7R6. Since as you can see, a lot of people are talking about this trendy game, and it is receiving millions and millions of views every single day, you can earn a lot of free PayPal money from all of these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is set up for a free account on the Steam community and make a post about Minecraft or another popular game, then publish your shortened link from 7R6. In the Steam community through that post. And from there, you're going to get a lot of clicks from a lot of people who will view your link, click on it and watch the YouTube video. And for every single click, you're going to make a lot of individuals free money, and coming from just one video, you may be earning hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus that will help you earn 3 times as much as others. You can earn a lot of money online if you concentrate on this category and copy the link to this type of video, which are live streaming videos. Right now, as part of the special bonus that I promised you, I want to share with you this free done for you template that you can use to earn a lot more money than others. Therefore, all you have to do is duplicate this template and distribute it with the Steam community. From there, your shortened link will receive a lot of hits, and you will earn a lot of money. Have you seen this incredible Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live stream right here. This is where you're going to put in your shortened link from 7R6. This is just one of the examples in which you're going to get a lot of clicks. Now all you have to do is copy this entire done-for-you template and post them into this website. This is because these specific gaming category videos are picking up a lot of trends, and they're extremely popular. So just go back to your 7R6 dashboard and copy this shortened link from there. Then go back to our template and paste the link right here. Finally, subscribe to MoneyFlow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website while only watching videos on YouTube, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.